Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the May Sew Sampler to share with all of you guys. This is a subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop that they put out every single month. You can sign up for the subscription at their website at www.fatquartershop.com. I will also link it down below. This is $29.95 per month for now, and then it will be switching over to $34.95 per month starting in June. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's box. This is a fun one. Okay, this is really colorful and I love colorful things. So it says Coral Me Happy May 2026. There's a lot of things on the back here, so I'm just going to tell you what's on the back. It says Sew With Us. There's a 2026 Haven Quilt and Stitch Along. So check that out. There is a QR code here. I'll try to put it on here as well. And then it says Special Sew Sampler Savings. There is a promo code for a free copy of the Quilty Fun book with your next $60 purchase. This looks like Lori Holt to me. I'll go ahead and link that down below if I can find it. And then there's also a Layer Cake Crumpet quilt. Let me see if I can get this one up for you as well. If you remember from last month's box, we do have a special pattern in here that is from the Sew Sampler Vault, so a pattern that has been released before. We get to see that again. We have our foldable insert here. This tells us the contents of our box as well as the price of each item. I will go through this one at a time, and then I'll go ahead and add it up at the end and see if we saved anything by purchasing this box. Our first item here is the 2.75 inch half square triangle paper. This is triangles on a roll. And it does retail for $15.98. It says bring a wave of precision to your quilting with 2.75 inch half square triangle paper. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, these triangles on a roll make it easy to achieve perfectly crisp points and matched corners every time. Just unroll what you need, let the guidelines lead the way, and tuck the rest away for a tidy workspace. Your projects will glide together smoothly like a calm tide, carrying every piece right into place. Try it with a Whitecaps pattern in this box. All right, this is by It's So Emma. And I'll go ahead and link all of these products down below. This is an extremely nice gift. I'm excited for this. This is the Quick and Easy All Stars Block Tool by Debbie Rogers for CNT Publishing. This retails for $18.98, and it says gaze into a sea of starry possibilities with a quick and easy All Stars Block Tool quilt book by Debbie Rogers. Inside you'll discover 110 dazzling star blocks and inspiring ideas that offer endless versatility for your quilts. This approachable guide is packed with helpful tips, clear diagrams, and handy yardage charts in multiple sizes to bring confidence in every step. With pre-cut friendly layouts and organized reference tables, planning your next masterpiece is as smooth as a summer breeze. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is, 110 quilt blocks in 5 sizes, and there are also project ideas inside. Here's a little bit of what it looks like. So it shows you the cut guides, it shows you the way the blocks are assembled. You can see that here. This is super handy to have. I like this a lot. We do have our Tula Pink fabric here. This is Whitecaps Floral Reef Petite 10-inch Stacker. Tula is for Free Spirit Fabrics, and this does retail for $23.48. It says make a splash on your next project with this hand-picked set of 20 10-inch squares from Floral Reef by Tula Pink. This Floral Reef collection is bursting with reef-inspired colors, lively corals, aquatic blues, and playful sea life that float perfectly into the Whitecaps quilt pattern. Each pre-cut square feels like a little underwater treasure, bringing a fresh tide of seaside whimsy right to your sewing table. Okay, I'll go ahead and open this for you guys and show you the fabrics. If you don't want to stick around for that, go ahead and just fast forward to the next scene, and I'll go ahead and put the color card up here so you can see it that way instead. And I'm actually, this is exciting because I painted my nails an obnoxious shade of pink the other day, and I was like, oh man, this is going to clash with the next Sew Sampler box, and you know what? It does not. In fact, I feel like I match. Here we have this reef pattern with the hammerhead sharks. Ooh, there's a sea snake. There you go. Different kinds of sharks. This is a super fun print. I love when Tula does this with the ombre colors. Or ombre. I don't know. How do you guys say that? Ombre or ombre? I'm already thinking of so many good long arm designs that go with these fabrics. There's a little octopus sneaking around here. There was also, I saw a seahorse somewhere. Oh yeah, the seahorse is down here. All right, and then we have our Sew Sampler vault pattern here. This is Starflower. And this particular quilt is 44 inches by 63.5 inches. And then there's also, you can make 3 table runners. And so that is 23 inches by 63.5 inches. Here are the requirements here on the back. Next we have our Whitecaps quilt pattern. This is by Fat Quarter Shop as well. It is a Sew Sampler exclusive. You cannot get this anywhere else. And it does retail for $11.98, and it says catch the perfect creative wave with Fat Quarter Shop's exclusive Whitecaps quilt pattern, perfect for the floral reef 10-inch squares in this box. Crisp blues ripple across the design like rolling tides, guiding your eye toward lively pops of coral, shells, and seaside surprises tucked within every block. The balance of calm tones and playful prints creates a sunlit, easygoing feel, like a little coastal retreat all to yourself right in your own home. Okay, this is a 61.5 by 75.25 quilt, and that is a really great size. Here are the requirements for that. And then if you wanted to purchase these patterns, if you don't have the subscription box, you can always go on Facebook. There is a group called Sew Sampler Swap. I have that linked below as well. You can go ahead and check that out and see if anybody's selling it. And finally, we have our new quilt along here. This is block number 2. This is the Spooled quilt along, and it says settle in for a year of sewing with the Spooled quilt along, where classic blocks unwind 1 month at a time. Each new section builds on the last, creating a quilt that grows steadily with every stitch. If you missed one, all Spooled block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop, and there are limited kits available. This retails for $4.98. Here are the requirements here on the back. And then as I was looking at this last month, a little bit closer after I made my video, you notice that there are spools here depicting your fabric. And you know what I've seen before is I think this is the block inside of the spool. And then of course, when you get your finishing pattern, it'll probably have the requirements then for the ends of the spool. But that is what I propose or think that this quilt is going to look like at the very end next year when we wrap this up. Our box total is a little bit higher than it typically is just because we have that vault pattern as well, but our box total came to $82.40. Let's go ahead and subtract the $29.95. After subtracting the cost of the box, we are left with $52.45. That is excellent savings. I really love the fabric. I really love the book of patterns. I think that's all the block patterns. I think that's a really awesome gift that we got this month. Let me know down below what your favorite item was, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody. I hope you have a great day.